Welcome to Retro Phone Show. Now if you like rare or retro mobile phones, then this channel is definitely for you, because that's all we do is rare and retro mobile phones. In this episode we're going to be having a look at this very rare Alcatel. It's the Alcatel OT-595. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here I am again, bringing you another rare mobile phone. This time, it's the Alcatel OT-595, and this was released in 2012. So let's have a look at the phone before we start. Here's the front. On this side we have a earphone jack. On this side we have the charging port. On the top here, not a lot. The bottom, not a lot at all. On the back we have the One Touch logo, which is a bit faded. We have 2-megapixel camera and a speaker located on the back, and obviously we can slide him as well. So he's got the slide. It's a slide phone. This is actually dual SIM as well. So it's pretty good. I just take the back off and show you the back. I've already got the SIM card placed in there. There we are. There's the one SIM tray, and there's the other one there. They both work. I've tested them both. This is actually unlocked as well. I'm not too sure if it'll work on the free network, as I haven't tested it. So look what it says here. One Touch 595D. Yeah. We put the battery in. Like so. Put the back on. This is actually the pink one, but they did release ones with different colours. Not bad. Nice little phone. Right then, I better start him up, ain't I? Yeah. The one SIM is Vodafone UK, and the other one, SIM one, is thinged. Right, got a lot of the menu. Makes a nice noise when you use the keys. Right, we have tools. Camera. Right, just check the camera out in a minute. Click on there. Here we are. It's not a bad camera for an old phone. This was actually, I don't know if I already said, but this was released in 2012. I was quite lucky to get hold of this one, because these are very hard to get hold of now these days. Mail. File manager, applications, Facebook, settings, we'll look at that in a minute. Media, let's check out the media. We have radio, video, music. There's no songs in there. Check if there's any videos. I'll be taking a video actually. No, not good to me. Right. There we are. Right, let's have a look at the settings. We have profile, dual SIM settings, slide settings, phone settings, backlights. Yeah, right. Let's have a look at profiles. Outdoor, edits. Let's have a look at the ringtones then, is it? Start from the top. Right, start from the top. Enjoy the ringtones then. Here we go. Silence. Vibrate only. Now we go on to the ringtones. So enjoy. Oh, hang on. Right, we go. There you are, back to the beginning. And you have all different settings then you can do. Right. I don't know if we have any games on here. Photos. There's a couple of photos on here. I haven't actually seen these photos. There you are. There's one photo on there. There was a video. There's a video. I didn't even know I was on there. It's not from me. I didn't do it. But other files empty. There you are. There's the wallpapers. Let's have a look at these. Start from the top. Right, there you are. Let's have a look at these. These are like the wallpapers. Obviously, that's the Alcatel one. That's how we just seen. Yeah. See that one. See that one. That's all empty. So there you are. I'll ring it now in a minute. Just ring it now. Should ring now in a minute. And there you are. Like I said, listen to that when it opens and closes. And there you are. That is the Very Rare. As this time of recording this, there's no other video of this phone on YouTube. Only the one when it was first released was only on for a couple of seconds, maybe a minute. Just over a minute. So this one will be the first one, showing you the ringtones and all that stuff. So, as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much, and bye!